I did some more research here, took a picture of this, and PCV valve. Here we got, removed the engine cover. Right here, this little tube, this little hose is coming down. And I pull this right out, pull this out of the engine. Now this little hole here, and here we have it. That's, I believe, is the PCV valve. So here we have the old one. You can see, got some rattling to it. Looks a little burned up. Looks, you know, no reason not to replace it. So picked up a new baby, PCV valve, válvula de VPC. Okay. So you can see one is all burned up, and here is the new one. I'm going to put it in there, and obviously it connects to this hose. Pretty self-explanatory. And again, we're inside of the van. Just going to connect the black side to the hose, and the other side goes in there. Self-explanatory. And I'll have this done. And there. PCV valve has been replaced. Beautiful.